How to add a custom location on Instagram. So if you want to add any fake location on your Instagram, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore through various videos or reels. So it's the first step, just tap over your profile at the right bottom corner. And if you tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and if you go for settings, here are no any individual settings for adding a custom location on Instagram, but there is a simple way. So you just can ask for help to Instagram to make you available with that feature. For that, just go for help option over here and go for report a problem. And here you just have to go for report problem without shaking and go for include and continue, and here you'll be able to open up to the text field where you can explain that I'm not able to add a custom location on Instagram, so I just want to have this feature for my business or something like that. And by doing that, you just can go for send option at the right upper corner, and they will guide you to make this thing done, and you'll be able to have that. Now the second way is you just can go back, and when you are on your profile, you'll be able to see your edit profile option. So just tap over your edit profile, and here is the bio section. So the thing is, you can pin your location on your bio. For that, you just can search for the emoji of pin like this, and you just can type your location, like for something of your location, and you can tap on the right option at the right upper corner, and your location will be available on your bio. You just can tap over the right once again, and you can say your location has been pinned over here. Anyone who visits your profile will be able to see your location. Now the second thing is, you can post anything on your Instagram by adding a custom location. For that, you just can go to your home page, and from over here you just can swipe to left like this, and you'll be opened up to this interface. So here you just have to switch to the post option, and you have to select a photo that you want to post. Simply go for arrow option at the right upper corner, and once again you can go for arrow option where you'll be able to see this interface. So below the caption area there is add location option. You just can tap over the location, and you can search for the location that you want to have. And after simply tapping over the location, you can see the location has been set. Just go for the arrow option and post it to your post. So these are the way to add custom location on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.